December 2021. On the day that I set out for Guysborough County, there was an active extreme weather warning. I was working at the risk of extreme, record-breaking rainfalls that were washing out roads all throughout Atlantic Canada. That day, my car was a contradiction, filled with everything I need to install my artwork, but also filled with everything I needed in case I couldn't get home, in case I was stranded for the night. It's December, and the clover still grows. As that thought enters my mind, I realize it could mean something different in the minds of any person I could ever meet. These little green patches showing beneath my feet, are they a kind of lucky, jubilant defiance? Or perhaps, are they a dark warning? It's all things I've experienced, but it's all too much to explain. I've been on this earth 28 years. And in those 28 years, I've already seen so many things change. At 28 years old, my childhood memories are starting to feel like some bygone era. Every winter just feels further and further from the reality I knew. Sometimes I feel caught in between. Do generations before me feel this? Will the generations after me understand? I have a 2-year-old nephew. I think about him a lot on trips like these. I wonder what his generation will think or what they will feel. Will they feel lost like me? Or will this just be all they have ever known? For now, I sit with the uncomfortable. I acknowledge it. In a world much too good at carrying on. Everything is fine. Nothing to see here.